po, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Nagharap na sa kanilang pre-fight press conference ang dalawang pinakamagaling na boksingero sa panahon ngayon, ang ating pambansang kamao si Manny Pacquiao at si Floyd Mayweather Jr.
Si Pacman mas ganado raw ngayon dahil siya ang sinasabing underdog o dehado sa laban. Sagot naman ni Mayweather, sa huli, siya raw palagi ang panalo.
May mga nakapansin mga kapuso na ang dating maangas na si Pretty Boy ay nagbistulang maamong tupa. Bakit kaya? Mula sa Los Angeles, California, sa Amerika, nakatutukuha ngayon si Connie Sison. Connie!
Mel, Mike, Vicky, talaga naman naging matagumpay itong pre-fight press conference at red carpet arrival ni na pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao at Floyd Mayweather Jr. kahapon ng umaga sa Nokia Theater dito nga sa LA. At yan ay labis na ikinatuwa ng dalawang boxing superstars.
Maagang luminya ang media mula sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo sa Nokia Theater para sa pre-fight press conference at red carpet arrival ni na pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao at Pretty Boy Floyd Mayweather Jr. kaninang umaga dito sa LA. Pasado alas 11, nagpakita ng ating pambansang kamao sa red carpet. Relax na relaxed at nakangiti itong nagpaunlak ng interview sa mga media. Sa aming panayam, sinabi nitong wala siyang ibang nararamdaman sa papalapit na laban kundi ang pagkasabik.
Mas worried ako doon sa mga fight ko na kay De La Hoya, Cotto, Margarito, Nandes.
Bakit?
God gave me a peace of mind. The Lord delivered him into my hands.
Di rin daw siya nababahala na siya ngayon ang tinitingnang underdog sa laban nila ni Pretty Boy Floyd.
Gustong-gusto ko yan yung maging underdog ako dahil mas ganado ako pag underdog ako na mag-prepare, maghanda sa fight na ito.
Makalipas naman ng isang oras, dumating na rin sa red carpet si Mayweather. Kapansin-pansing kalmado at panay din ang ngiti nito. Malayo sa nakasanayan ng marami na maangas at seryosong imahin niya. Miski sa kanyang pagsagot sa amin, di rin ito nag-trash talk o nagsalita ng masama laban kanino man.
Hi, hello. Hi, I'm Connie from GMA7 and we're live right now in Manila. You obviously have a fan base in the Philippines and they really want to ask what drives you as a boxer. You have an unparalleled record.
Well, you know, Floyd Mayweather, I love the Philippines. You know, I love all the Philippine fans. You guys have been remarkable. You guys have done a great job. You guys have stood behind Manny Pacquiao. Without the fans, we both wouldn't be where we at today in our career. So we both have remarkable careers. And May 2nd, you know, another big day for me. And, you know, I'm happy.
Yes. You've met Manny very briefly. And what was your first impression of him?
You know, he's just another fighter. You know, cool guy. You know, I like him. I don't have anything bad to say about him. And I'm just ready to, you know, go out there and perform, you know. Get back to training camp and do what I do best. Just work hard and stay focused.
What do you think about Manny as a fighter?
He's a remarkable fighter. He's a good fighter. You know, he done something right to get to this point. And my job is just to be smart.
At nang tanungin naman sa sinasabing fighting style ni Coach Freddie Roach na babasag umano ng kanyang magandang record.
You know, last time I checked, 47 had, you know, I faced Freddie Roach before in the past. And of course, you know, I was victorious. He's a good trainer, you know. The things that Freddie Roach is saying, he's supposed to say. But when it's all said and done, it comes down to the two fighters.
Simple lamang din daw ang dahilan sa kanyang di pa napapantayang record na walang talo at 47 pagkapanalo.
I feel good. You know, I'm happy. You know, my team done a remarkable job, an unbelievable job. It's about having tunnel vision, you know, not focusing on negative things, just stay positive, keep believing, and you know, like I said before, anything is possible.
Samantala, isang matinding sagot naman ang iniwan nito bago kami lisanin.
Win or lose, will you be considering to fight Manny again?
Floyd Mayweather is always a winner.
Presenting the fighting pride, the Philippines, Manny Pacquiao! And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Floyd Manny Mayweather.
Mag-aalas 2 na ng hapon dito sa Amerika nang magsimula ang pre-fight press conference. Kapwa naging maikli pero puno ng puso ang speech ni Manny at Floyd. Si Manny binalikan ang kanyang mga paghihirap sa buhay at nagpasalamat sa Panginoon sa tinatamasa niya ngayong tagumpay.
I want to let the people know that there is God who can raise from someone from nothing into something. And that's me. That's me. I came from nothing into something, and I owe everything to God. He gave me this blessing, so it's all credit to the Lord.
Kapansin-pansin namang nanginginig ang boses ni Floyd Mayweather Jr. habang nagpapasalamat sa kanyang ama at fans.
First off, I have to thank my father. Unbelievable trainer, unbelievable person, the fans, Team Pacquiao, top rank. It's been a long road, but we're here now.
Iginiit din ni Floyd na ginagawa niya ang lahat sa pagpapabuti ng kanyang training dahil ayaw niyang makatikim ng pagkatalo.
I'm in the gym working right now, dedicating myself to the sport, pushing myself to the limit, because I never wanted to win a fight so bad in my life.
Samantala, naging usap-usapan naman ang biglang pagsingit itong si Justin Bieber habang kinukuhanan ng litrato sina Floyd Mayweather Jr. at Manny Pacquiao sa press conference. Halatang nabigla itong si Pretty Boy Floyd nang bigla nga siya nitong kalibitian, ano? At kilala naman na talagang magkaibigan itong si Pretty Boy Floyd at itong si Justin Bieber na parati na lamang ibinibida ang isa't isa sa kanilang mga social media accounts. Mike?
Connie, pagkatapos ng pulong balita press conference, kung may nakausap ka dun sa mga media, lalo na yung mga boxing, na nagko-cover ng boxing dyan sa Amerika, ano ang masasabi naman natin kung ano ang ginalaw ng, excuse me, o ginalaw, o ano ang epekto o ano ang kanilang analysis nung dalawang boksingero na humarap sa inyo dyan kanina, dyan sa Los Angeles? Connie?
Yes, Mike, alam mo, sinasabi nga nila talagang at as of this point, hindi pa talaga masabi, ano, kahit na sino they don't want to predict dahil alam mo naman pareho talagang napakagagaling nito nga si Floyd Mayweather Jr. at ang ating pambansang kamao. Kasi may kanya-kanya silang style, ano, at talagang ang magiging basihan na lamang daw talaga ay dapat tignan sa Mayo 2 dito sa Amerika sa laban mismo at atres nga dyan sa Pilipinas, Mike.
Maraming salamat, Connie Sison.